I bet you're wondering what I'm drinking, why it tastes so good. Well, I'll tell you. This is homemade rice milk, and I'm going to show you how to make it. It is super easy, it's really quick, and it tastes pretty good. We're going to need 1 cup of cooked brown rice. Why brown rice instead of white rice? Some people think brown rice is healthier. I think what it comes down to is it has a little more fiber or something. Whatever, it tastes okay. Next, we're going to need 4 cups of water. Put a pinch of salt in there. I'm going to put a ½ teaspoon of vanilla in there. Awesome, I did it without spilling it that time. And lastly, I'm going to take this honey. It's a nice substitute instead of sugar. And this honey I happen to extract myself at my dad's beehive, so that's pretty awesome. Just going to drop that in there. It's 2 tablespoons. Well, I guess that last bit's not going to come off. Whatever. And that's it. We just put on the lid here, and we're going to mix this up for 3 minutes until it's nice and smooth. And there you have it, homemade rice milk. And this stuff actually tastes really decent. I like it better than the junk you buy in the stores even. Now making your own rice milk, it costs about 15 cents per liter, and you end up saving a few $100s per year if you're to do this by yourself all the time instead of buying it in the store. So this is a really efficient way and a really tasty way of having your own rice milk. So what's even better than the regular rice milk that we just made is chocolate rice milk. Super easy to do. All you need to do to make this work: 2 tablespoons of cocoa. All the rest of the ingredients in there stayed the same. Just mix that up for another couple minutes, and we'll have chocolate rice milk. The sweetener in there is pretty important, or else it's pretty bitter, so you want to have 2 tablespoons of honey, or even a little more. How the heck do you work this thing? There we go. And that's all there is to making chocolate rice milk. It's good stuff. Not exactly like cow's chocolate milk, but this is pretty darn close, and it passed the kid test, so it works for me. I don't always drink milk, but when I do, it's Blair's homemade rice milk.